Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.8 LS version on RHEL 9. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with RHEL, that is Firefox. Then go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then select MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version 8.4.8 LS version, then select the operating system RHEL, then select the version RHEL 9. If you are unable to find the version, then click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then see, once we selected, it populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM bundle. Click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 900 megabytes and it is star file. Once download completes, then we will untap this star file and we will install MySQL Server 8.4.8. See, download completed. Now open terminal, then go to downloads, ls. See here it is star file, we have to enter it tar-xf, then MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire file name from your keyboard, hit enter. Extraction completed, ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages, we have to install them. So install them, sudo rpm -ivh -modeps star.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. See, we are installing MySQL Server 8.4.8 LS version. We have successfully installed MySQL Server. Ctrl A. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. It is not MySQL, it is MySQL D. If you give MySQL, it won't work. So we have to give MySQL D. See, MySQL Server is installed, but it is inactive or dead. Q to quit, Ctrl A. Now start the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. See, MySQL Server is started. Now we will connect MySQL Server, but to connect to MySQL Server, we must have the password of MySQL user account. Okay, but we don't have any password of any MySQL user account. But we can get the MySQL user temporary root account password by going to Ctrl L sudo more /var log MySQL .log grep password. See, this is the temporary password for the MySQL root account. Now we'll set the permanent password. Sudo MySQL _secure installation. Now we have to provide this temporary password. So copy it. This is not same for you. Now set the new password for root account. Remember this password. Later we need this password to log in. Do you want to change again? No. Remove anonymous users. Yes. Disable. No. Remove test database and access to it. Yes. Reload privileges. Yes. All done. We have successfully set the password for MySQL user root account. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -b. Then provide the password that we have set for this root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version number 8.4.8. We can also verify the version of the MySQL Server by running the command select version. See, we have connected to MySQL Server version 8.4.8. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run a command. Use is the keyword, then provide the name of the database. See, database change. Now verify list of tables in this database. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create table. we have created table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. We have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. Before that, verify list of users, show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running the command select user from MySQL dot user. See, these are the default users. Create. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this user. Exit MySQL hyphen u. Username is David hyphen p. Then provide the password. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, that is the password. See, we have successfully connected. See, we have connected with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server 8.4.8 on RHEL. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL d. Verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL d. See, MySQL server stopped 6 seconds ago. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect. Now start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL d. See, you have started 2 seconds ago. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL d. Verify the status. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. We took it, control it. Until now, we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL by using dbeaver or MySQL Workbench. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on RHEL. I have already installed dbeaver on this machine. Now click on database and select new database connection, or click on this plus button for new database connection. Both are same. Select MySQL, then click on next. Localhost is fine because MySQL is installed on this one. 3306 is the port number for MySQL. You have the database bank, user root, then provide the password of this root account. Not only root, whatever is the user is there on this database, we can provide here. Click on text connection. This is the expected error. Click on OK. Go to driver properties. See, by default, hello public key retrieval is false. Change it to true. See, successfully connected to MySQL server. Click on finish. Expand connection, expand databases. If you want to run queries, right click SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now we can run the queries against this database. Users, see here we have created this user. If you want to create database, right click on databases, create new database. In the same way, if you want to create users, right click, create new user. Okay, so we have successfully installed and configured MySQL server. Ls, these files are not required anymore, so I am removing them to clear the space. Sudo rm -rm start.rpm. This will delete all RPM packages from the current directory. Ls, we have one more file, remove it, rm MySQL, press the tab, hit enter. Ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.4.8 LTS version on RHEL. Then we have seen how to connect from the MySQL client and dbeaver. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.